Hi, welcome to RTC. Today, we are going to learn how to create a backup on our Windows computer. So please hit the subscribe button to keep you updated on my latest video. Be sure to do this before anything goes wrong with your Windows computer. On your computer, click the search icon and type Restore. Click Create a Restore Point, and a new window will open. Then click Create. Be sure to put a description to help you identify your restore point in the future. Name whatever you like. For this example, we will name it Windows Restore Point 1. Then click Create. It may take a few minutes, depends on your computer speed, so be patient and wait for the process to finish. System restore points are designed to help the user recover the OS in the event an update, driver or application damages the OS. Done. Your computer is now safe. Next, we will gonna learn how we can use the restore point we created. But before we proceed, I would be grateful if you hit the like button. So let's continue. This option takes your PC back to an earlier point in time, called a system restore point. Restoring won't affect your personal files, but it will remove apps, drivers, and updates installed after the restore point was made. To do that, click Windows search bar and type Recovery. Now click this. A recovery window will pop up. Select Open System Restore. A System Restore window will pop up, just click Next. Then here choose the restore point we created. Notice we created a restore point named Windows 11 Restore Point 1. Be sure to select it and hit Next. Then click Finish. Remember that System Restore cannot be undone until after it has completed. If everything is good, click Yes. Just be patient and wait for it to finish. Then here, log in your PIN or your password. Done. System restore completed. Your documents have not been affected. The system restore. If you find this video helpful, hit sub or follow if you want to learn more about computers.